Good morning, students. Again, I am here to teach you computer science for class 11th and 12th. And today's topic is arguments and parameters in Python. Now, start with a function. A function is a set of statements that take some inputs, do some specific type of computation, and produce the result. You knew it how to make the function in Python. Already we done in the last classes. So when we call the function and when we declare the function, we can declare some parameters and arguments. So today's topic and today's this video just focus on the parameters and the arguments. What is the difference between the parameters and arguments? In the program, there are two stages for the functions. First is creating the function or declaring the function. Second is calling the function. Now start with the creating a function. At the time of the creating a function, we declare some identifiers to store some values that comes from the calling side. So these identifiers are called parameter. For example, def my function bracket a comma b then bracket then colon. So this is the particular format. So it is used to declare or creating a function. So now here a and b are the parameters. So here a and b are considered as a parameter. That means at the time of declaring the function, creating the function, we declare some identifier inside the bracket. So those are considered as a parameters. And at the time of calling the function, we pass some values and these values are known as argument. It means when we call the function, so that time we have to pass some values and these values are considered as arguments. For example, so here my function and 2 and 5 I pass, so these are considered as arguments. In the next example, my function a and b, so here a and b also called arguments. So we can define like at the time of the creating, we pass the identifier, those are called parameters. At the time of the calling, we pass some values and these values considered as a argument. So this is the difference. Calling time it's called arguments, declaring time it's called parameter. Okay, thank you so much.